So Xiaomi Hamdi asks, hi, can I submit my N400 now? It's 3 months early, or should I wait to complete the 5 years? You know, N400 is the form that you have for applying for citizenship. It's N400 form application for naturalization. And one of the requirements for that, if you're not married and been living to a U.S. citizen under regular circumstances, is that you have a green card for at least 5 years. Once you have a green card for 5 years, you can apply for citizenship. Now, they give you this 90-day window where you could submit the application 30 days earlier than the full 5 years, but that's just one of the requirements of 5 years or maybe 4 years and 9 months. So I have to know whether you completed what's called the physical presence requirement. So of that 5 years, half the time, like 913 or 15 days or something like that, you have to have physically been in the United States. Also, you can't have absences of more than 6 months, or even you can't have multiple absences of 4 or 5 months. That could be an issue for breaking what's called continuous residence. So if you're asking me as a lawyer to give you advice of whether you can apply, because I have no idea what's going on with your personal background, whether you've been paying your taxes, whether you have any arrest history, whether you signed up for selective service, conscription when the time came, or if your age was appropriate, how you obtained your green card, there's a million and one things I don't know about you, so I can't, and you ask me, can I submit now? I can't answer that. Just factually speaking, it is possible to submit the application 3 months before the 5 years, but you have to have completed the physical presence requirement. I don't know if you have or not. I haven't counted your days. I haven't looked at your travel history. You shouldn't have any continuous presence issues because that's your problem. And so on and so on and so on. So that the very small question of whether it's possible to file 3 months before the 5 year period, it is possible. Whether it's possible for you, I don't know. And that's something that, as consultation is needed for me to review it and give you that answer. It's a lot of responsibility to tell someone they can do or not do something because there's consequences. If you file a citizenship case, it can be denied if you do it wrong. You waste that time and money. And in some cases, they might even put you in removal proceedings, deportation, because they'll say that, you had this error. It happens all the time. I see it all the time. Some guy didn't get his green card properly. Some guy had an arrest and he didn't think it was a big deal, but then they put him in deportation. There's all sorts of things that pop up. You want to be careful. I'm sure you don't have that situation. Most people don't. But when you ask me, can I submit? I can't give you that legal answer. But the 3 months left of 5 years potentially is a possibility. It's a long answer, but I hope that helps, Shem.